I would like to begin by acknowledging the traditional owners of the land we are on. In Bonobaturang Nadi, kenda tona be usa turanga to wakati watu toka na to kenyi bunwango. Ano ringon sawati, wabin minawera na marroy tiko na bunwa. We thank them for allowing the first adventurers who went into agriculture on their land. Today we gather to celebrate the hard work, dedication, and excellence of our Fijian farmers. I remember when I was a child in the village, every old man in the village, every man in the village had tobacco growing in their gardens. They take you nowhere, they what you can tobacco. Kau mana tobacco may vingi tu iwan kuro. Me ba kubu tugina. Dry. Maya saraka iti ubi binga toka saraka lei ba kubu to mama malweneka. So it's an old pastime of our people in the villages. But this program is a shining example of how investment, innovation, and good farming practices can transform agriculture in our country. Over the years, British American Tobacco Fiji has demonstrated that the agriculture sector holds immense potential for growth. And through their support and training programs, they are helping our farmers increase productivity, income, and sustainability. When I was playing rugby, one of the premier trophies at the time was the Escort Shield, donated by Fiji Tobacco. That was the Escort cigarette they produced at the time. And sometime later, cigarette advertising was banned. Not my government, another government. But over the years, we have seen that British American Tobacco Fiji has demonstrated that agriculture holds immense potential for growth. And through their support and training programs, they are helping our farmers increase productivity, income, and sustainability. Agriculture remains a cornerstone of Fiji's development agenda. It provides food, employment, and livelihood for a significant portion of our population. Our government recognizes that modern, productive, and efficient agriculture is essential for economic growth and national development. When I was in the West 2 weeks ago, I went up Singatoka Valley to look at a rotavator, which I intend to buy and increase my production in my backyard garden. We thank those who invent those little machines that can help us increase our production on the land which those of us who read the Bible and believe the creation story that will realize 6 days to create the universe. We're not growing in any new land. We have to make the most of what we have. We are committed to transforming our agriculture sector into a vibrant engine of a fast-growing, resilient, and modern economy that contributes meaningfully to economic diversification, to food security and resilience, employment creation, particularly in the rural areas, and sustainable economic growth overall. Our goal is clear: to achieve at least 6% of GDP growth annually by boosting investments, raising productivity, and expanding export opportunities. This occasion today is a recognition of individual excellence and a reflection of the transformative role of agriculture in Fiji's development and the power of partnerships between government, the private sector, and our rural communities. In this regard, the contribution of British American Tobacco in Fiji is very much appreciated and acknowledged. Over many decades, BAT Fiji has demonstrated a continued commitment to working alongside local farmers through structured programs that build technical capacity and agronomic knowledge, promote best farming practices and quality standards, and improve yields and farmers' income, and strengthen the supply chain and supply chain resilience. Such partnerships highlight the important role of the private sector in complementing government efforts and in contributing to inclusive and sustainable development outcomes. Importantly, initiatives such as Star Farmers programs reflect how investment in people, particularly investment in farmers, can generate broad-based economic benefits, strengthen rural livelihoods, and contribute to national prosperity. Acknowledge also in the management I met this morning, Mr. Puasasuli, sitting here in front, the son of a junior rugby player with me at school during my time. I missed out on the New Zealand tour of the Fiji secondary schools team. I was in the first 15. He was in the second 15 and was selected to tour with that team as the youngest player, the Fiji secondary school team that toured New Zealand in 1967. Since its establishment in 2022, the Star Farmer program is now more than just an award. It is a demonstration of excellence and a catalyst for change, a catalyst for excellence, a catalyst for innovation, and a catalyst for knowledge sharing. By recognizing farmers who apply best practices such as proper fertilization, weed control, and timely planting, this program helps boost yields and incomes. It also encourages farmers to adopt modern and efficient farming techniques. It improves crop quality and productivity and embrace sustainable practices in the face of climate challenges, and ensuring food security for all. Today, over 600 farmers have benefited from training in agronomy and best practices. These farmers are not only increasing their productivity, but also contributing to the broader economy by producing higher quality crops, expanding their market, and creating employment opportunities. And these are the objectives I have given, or the missions I've given the Minister for Agriculture, to improve productivity in the agricultural sector. The impact is evident also in increased confidence and capability of our farmers to participate more competitively in the economy. The farmers' efforts and success stories are a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of our people. Our government believes that agriculture can be a key driver for Fiji's economic growth. As we aim for 6% GDP growth, increasing productivity in farming is crucial. Modern agriculture, supported by investment from both the public and the private sector, will help us increase a more competitive and create a more competitive economy. When farmers succeed, rural economies rise. and rural income rises. Employment opportunities are expanded. Communities become more resilient, and the national economy grows stronger. The multiplier effect of agricultural development extends across the sectors supporting transport, trade, manufacturing, and services. Investors like BAT, along with our farmers, are helping to build this future. Their contributions, whether through improved yields, new technologies, or better farming practices, are directly linked to increasing export earnings and economic activity, improved livelihood for farming communities, and skills development within the agricultural task force. This aligns with government's broader objective of fostering a diversified and inclusive economy. Government remains committed to creating an enabling environment where both farmers and investors can thrive. This includes strengthening rural infrastructure and connectivity, improving access to finance and extension services, supporting research, innovation, and climate resilience, and ensuring that policies promote fairness, sustainability, and long-term growth. Tomorrow I'll be engaged in the Nadi River bank protection, and that program will help a lot of our farmers. Today, the awards celebrate the resilience, hard work, and excellence of our farmers. They are the backbone of our nation's development. Their efforts, supported by investors like BAT, are vital to building a stronger and more prosperous Fiji. And I thank the farmers who are going to be recognized today for their dedication and innovation. Your hard work embodies excellence and leadership in agriculture. Your dedication, your resilience, and your commitment to quality continue to elevate the standards of Fiji's farming sectors and strengthen the livelihoods of rural communities across the country. I also commend British American Tobacco for their ongoing support to our agriculture sector with their initiative and partnership, recognized for promoting best farming practices and contributing to community and environmental development. This partnership reflects a shared commitment to progress, to sustainability, and the well-being of our people, reinforcing the positive role that BAT plays in supporting our farmers and communities. As we look to the future, I urge all stakeholders, I urge the government, through the minister who's here, I urge the farmers and investors and communities to continue working together. Our shared vision is a Fiji that is resilient, prosperous, and globally competitive. We're committed to creating an environment where investment flourishes, where productivity increases, and our economy grows at a pace that benefits all Fijians. And together, and with hard work, with hard innovation and partnership, we will achieve our goal of 6% GDP growth, transforming Fiji into a modern, resilient, and thriving nation. Nawalevu, Danebat, and thank you very much.